What happens when you get bitten by the bug? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. To get bitten or to be bitten by the bug means to get hooked or be very interested sa isang bagay, whether a sport, a hobby, or anything that takes up time and sa totoo lang uses up energy and resources. The idea is, kapag nakagat ka ng isang bug, mahahawa ka kumbaga. Mai-infect ka noong bagay na yon, and then it becomes part of your life. So we could use it in a sentence to say something like, she led a pretty boring life until she got bitten by the travel bug. Yung buhay niya daw ordinaryo, boring, hanggang naging interested siya or sobrang na-in-love siya sa pag-travel. And looking at this, I think I can say na I've been bitten by the Lego bug. Kayo, anong bug ang nakakagat sa inyo? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to follow me for more.